Hi everyone, this is Sainath. Today let us see the geography part 2, that is latitudes and longitudes. Now let us see the introduction. In this video we are going to see about latitudes, important latitudes, heat zones of the earth, longitudes, longitude and time, and how would you calculate the time at a specific longitude. Now let us discuss the latitudes. Before knowing what is latitude, we should know what is equator. An imaginary line running on the globe which divides the globe into two equal halves is called equator. And all the parallel circuits from the equator up to poles are called latitudes. All parallels north of the equator are called north latitudes and south of the equator are called south latitudes. Okay? See, by picture we can see that the red line which is dividing the globe into two equal halves is called equator, and the yellow lines which are north of the equator are called north latitudes, and the yellow lines which are south of the equator are called south latitudes. Okay, see, we know that equator represents the 0 degree latitude and the north pole represent the 90 degrees north latitude and the south pole represent the 90 degrees south latitudes. See, here is a bar like thing which is showing 90 degrees north on the north side and the 90 degrees south on the south side. These are called north pole and south pole respectively. Now let us see the important latitudes. Beside equator, north and south pole, there are four important latitudes. Now let us see this one by one. Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere, Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere, Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere, and Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. See, by picture we can see that the Tropic of Cancer, which is north of equator, is represented by 23.5 north latitude, and Tropic of Capricorn, which is south of equator, is represented by 23.5 south latitude. Arctic Circle, which is north of equator, is represented by 66.5 north latitude, and Antarctic Circle is represented by 66.5 south latitude. Now let us see the heat zones of Earth. First, let us see the torrid zone, that is the area which has maximum heat, that is between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. And the second one is temperate zone, that is the area which has moderate heat. Area between Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle, and the area between Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. These areas has temperate zone, that is moderate heat. And the third one is frigid zone, that is low heat or very cold area. This is between North Pole and the Arctic Circle and the South Pole and Antarctic Circle. See, by picture we can see the heat zones, uh, equator and north and south, that is between Tropic of Capricorn and Tropic of Cancer, it is torrid zone, and the area between Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle is temperate zone, and the area between Arctic Circle and the North Pole is frigid zone, and the area between Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle is temperate zone, and the area between Antarctic Circle and the South Pole is frigid zone. Now let us see the longitudes. Longitude is a geographic coordinate that specifies the east-west position of a point on the Earth's surface. See, by picture we can see that there is a central line and the other lines are from east and west. Okay, by convention, one of these, the prime meridian, which passes through the Royal Observatory, which England, was allocated the position of 0 degree longitude. Okay, longitude of other places is measured as a angle of east or west from the prime meridian, ranging from 0 degrees at the prime meridian and 180 degrees towards east and westward. Now let us see the longitudes and time. Time at any location in the world is calculated on the basis of distance from the prime meridian. The local time at Greenwich is considered as accurate time from the for the prime meridian and is called Greenwich Mean Time or GMT. We know that the earth rotates from west to east. So, the places east of Greenwich are ahead of the Greenwich Mean Time and those which are in west are behind it. All the places located on the particular meridian or particular longitude have the same time. Now let us see how would you calculate the time at specific longitudes. We know that earth rotates 360 degrees in 24 hours. It means the earth rotates 15 degrees in 1 hour and 1 degree in 4 minutes. Now let us consider a place is at 15 degrees east of prime meridian. Then that place is 1 hour ahead of the prime meridian. And let us also consider that a place is 150 degrees west of prime meridian. That is, that place is 10 hours behind the prime meridian. Okay. Now let us see the time zones of the world in the figure. See, there is a zero, that is the area of Europe, which is located at the Royal Observatory, and west of this we can see that there is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, which means they are behind the GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, and we can also see that east side +1, +2, +3 and +4. It means that they are ahead of the Greenwich Mean Time. Thank you for watching. There will be much more videos on geography. Thank you.